Sit down, avoid distractions, and mute your microphone. These are 3 video conferencing tips that I'm sure you've heard in the last month, but they are wrong. Firstly, about sitting down. Why would you want to sit down when you can stand up? When you stand up, you have a much better opportunity of expressing things with bodily language. Your voice may sound more confident. You may actually feel more confident when you're standing up. Especially when you're presenting in an online workshop, you need to stand up so that people know that this is the headline speaker, this is the spotlight speaker. The second one about avoiding distraction. The tip is always make sure that nobody comes in, there's no children or animals around. Wrong. Most of us are doing these meetings from our homes, from our living rooms, and here life goes on. Distractions are not that difficult. I've seen plenty of meetings where somebody's child has come in and it put them on their lap, and they're a delightful addition to the meeting. We can also learn a lot from our YouTuber friends. There's plenty of YouTubers who have dogs in their studio, and they're chilling out. There's something nice to look at. They don't bother anybody. And finally, about muting your microphone. If you have an online meeting with somebody, why would you mute your microphone? If you're going to have the meeting, surely you're there to discuss something with them. I perform in a lot of online comedy shows, and when the mics are muted, it's like talking to a wall. But when people have their mics on, I can hear the laughter, and that really adds a lot. So here's my opinion about those 3 tips instead. Stand up, deal with distractions, and keep your microphones on. Agree? Disagree? Put it in the comments. And if you got some value out of this video, please share it.